This is the fully dry piece that I did on a piece of bamboo board. I will put a link to the video. And then I coated it with resin, with a squirt of the dragonfly glaze in the resin, and then that gives it that sparkle. Really sparkly. Absolutely gorgeous. So, I mean, you could definitely do these things on wood and put your house number on, or a house name, a gift, probably a bit of a different background to that, but really happy with that. Now I'll just show you my dogs playing for a minute while I get my other things that I've, with the leftover resin I've shown you before, I pour them into my just silicone cake molds. So I added a butterfly and some hearts. So then just poured the clear resin, the leftover resin, over. Then I just put some of the gold hearts in that one. So they're really nice that you can put a magnet on the back, as a sticky magnet on the back, and then put them as fridge magnets to hold notes and things on the fridge. I can drill a hole in there, obviously wearing a mask because you don't want to breathe in any of the stuff, and make keyring dovelakis. So very happy with that. And other thing, in the salt and pepper tray, like that you just stand your salt and pepper on, I put some more bling in there with the leftover resin. And you put salt and pepper on my barbecue table out here. So just another little idea. Okie doke, I will link the video. So have a good time, you people, because I certainly am. Look at the weather we've got here in Queensland. It is a stunner. Bindy's out there sunning herself. Benson's thinking about it. So we have a glorious day. So be safe and create.